MissDarcei.
I look like Steve Jobs. Welcome to Microsoft. No, that's not right. Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite Bald Haiti. Back at it again with another video. Welcome to another episode of Trying Kylie Cosmetics. Today we're going to be trying the new Kendall Collection. After my last Kylie Cosmetics video, Kylie and I now have a very personal relationship. So she sent me this. Now as you can see, the collection just looks absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. Mwah, chef's kiss. And both Kendall and Kylie look stunning on the packaging. But let's get real here. Is this collection for black people? Stay tuned to find out. So the aim of this video, at least for me personally, is to look exactly like Kendall Jenner. That might be a little difficult, considering that I look like this. But we're gonna try, okay? From the marketing of this, I expect to look exactly like Kendall Jenner, alright? So I'm gonna be recreating the makeup that she's wearing in this photo shoot. The collection comes with this beautiful palette, this translucent blotting powder, the Everything Everywhere eye gloss, a bronzer, blush, and highlighter stick, a lip gloss, and of course, a Kylie Cosmetics lip kit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put on my base products, my foundation, concealer, whatever, and then we'll get started. I'm gonna start with my No Problem Primer from Touch in Sol. Oh yeah. I don't know why, but the camera just refuses to focus on me. I guess I just don't exist. I just don't exist today, guys. I'm invisible. I gotta admit, guys, I'm a little bit scared about this collection. Little tiny bit scared. I've seen some of the reviews already, and I don't know. I don't know about this, guys. It looks amazing on Kendall, but will it look amazing on me? Okay, I already know what you're thinking. Darcei, why is your foundation shade 5 shades lighter than your face? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's because I've been going outside every day. Your girl's been exercising, alright? In nature. I've been taking care of myself. And a consequence of that is that I have a wicked tan. So I'm sorry that my foundation does not match my face today, okay? I just wanted to go to the park. Is that a crime? Next we're gonna put on some concealer. That is so light. It's okay. We're doing a Jenner look today. This is just gonna make us look more snatched. Okay, now let me look at the picture here. Kendall definitely has very filled in, thick eyebrows, but they're not as precise and snatched as Kylie's are. They're more natural, you know, that natural model look, okay? So that's what we're going for. You guys know the song by now. Sing it with me. Little brow, you're a little eyebrow. Little brow, you're a wee eyebrow. Little brow. I love that song. Easy, effortless, natural. Okay, it's time to blend this out now. And then we're just gonna apply some powder to set that and we'll be good to go. That was a lot. That was a lot. It's okay, we're a Jenner today, it's fine. Oh my god. Is this gonna get flagged for whiteface? No, that's not a thing. First thing on the agenda is this thing, which claims to be a translucent blotting powder, but I don't know, we'll see about that. Carefully take off the seal. And it comes with this little puff, little poof poof. Apparently, this is supposed to be a translucent blotting powder. Let's feel it with our fingers first. Creamy. So it's a bit of a balmy texture. Interesting. Let's see how it fares on my skin. Take the puff. Oh. Is it working? Did that work? Oh, yeah. That mattified my nose instantly. When I saw the balmy texture, I was like, this isn't gonna work. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna take off all my makeup. But no, it's actually fine. Just don't use too much. Just a quick little pat pat's enough. Otherwise, it gets a little crazy. So, Would I use this again? No. Well, why not, Darcy? Because for me, personally, it's unnecessary. I have dry skin. What do I need a blotting powder for? Nothing. But if you do, then try it out. Why not? Next on the agenda, eyeshadow. All right, let's open up this bad boy. Look at all the colors. Look at all the pretty colors of the rainbow that we're never gonna use. Wonderful, gorgeous color story that we're not gonna use it all today because we are copying the look that Kendall did. And did Kendall use green eyeshadow? She did not. The eye look, as usual, is very, very neutral, very, very Kardashian. We're gonna use like these 4 colors max. Let's get started. So we're gonna start off with this color called Cup of Tea. Oh my god. Whoa! That's a lot of kickback. This is gonna be the exact same shade as my skin tone. Let's go over that with another shade that is the exact same color as my skin tone. Does anyone else get really bored while they're doing their eyeshadow? Like, I'm just sitting here blending. I ain't got nothing else to do. I start thinking about weird things. How many licks does it take to get to a center of a Tootsie Pop? Has anyone ever counted? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Jesus. Okay, I want to make this a little bit more rosy, you know? A little bit more blush. So we're gonna put this color, which is called Love You, Sister. Aww. Sister. Sister. Talk about a two-way twister, shaking up a family tree with sibling synchronicity. Sister, sister. Gonna bring this underneath the eye too. Starting to look like I have pink eye a little bit. Oh my god. Then we're gonna grab Brunettes Do It Best and define the eye. I think I have eyeshadow in my eyeball. Ow! There's definitely eyeshadow in my eye. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then of course, no Kardashian look would be complete without some false eyelashes. I'm putting all these fluffy lashes from I have no idea where. I don't know, I just found these. Because Kendall's lashes are really fluffy. And how are we doing, guys? Still looking a little rough. Next up, we've got these Kai sticks. Now, I don't know about these guys. Really, the only one that I'm not too sure about is the contour. I mean, the contour. This is the bronzer stick in the color Act Natural, and that's what that looks like. So I think Kylie said that she was gonna make more shades of this, but for now, it's just this one. So I want you guys to look at this stick right now and tell me if you think that I could bronze with this. Okay, we're gonna swatch it on my hand. Bitch. Yeah, we're just gonna put this away now, okay? I'm not gonna torture myself or you by putting this on my face, okay? We're just gonna, I'm gonna bronze with what I usually bronze with, and we will move on. So yeah, you know, we got that heavy Kardashian contour, as usual. Blend it right up into the hairline, right up into your wig cap, girl. Excellent, lovely. Get those cheekbones, sweetie. I'm gonna do a little bit on my forehead as well, and on my chinny chin chin. I barely need to contour my chin anymore because your girl is getting snatched in this quarantine, okay? Quarantine snatched. How do I look? Decent. All right, let's try the blush. Maybe the blush will be better. This is the color Runway. Very appropriate name. Let's swatch this. It's really light. We're gonna put it on. Green blushes are always a little iffy to me. I'm just gonna use a brush. Oh yeah, that's real light. It's almost giving me a highlighting effect because it's so light. Oh god. Guys. Ugh. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not awful. It's not my favorite, but it's not awful. It's just very light. It's you know what? I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender, so I'm getting too much texture and I don't like it. Okay, we're gonna apply it with the beauty blender. If you have a lighter skin tone, this is gonna come out pretty dark on you and dramatic. And if you have a skin tone like mine, then it's gonna come out very natural looking. I put on so much, oh my god. Okay, and then there's also a stick highlighter, which I am so scared of. Every time I've ever put on a stick highlighter in my life, it just takes off all of the makeup in that area, doesn't blend, so I'm like frightened for my life right now. I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. It already looks like I have highlighter on because the blush is so light. I feel like I have to spend 8,000 years just blending it in forever. This is why I don't like sticks. This is why I don't like cream products. Please blend. Please blend. Okay, so the cream highlighter is not bad, but I could live without it. I mean, the blush is basically highlighting me anyway. This is tragic. An absolute tragedy. Next we have this Everything Everywhere gloss, which apparently you can use everywhere and on everything. I don't even want to put this on my face. What is that? Oh, it's the highlight stick. I don't want to put this on my face. It's terrifying me. I'm scared. Look at that. What is that? What is this? Okay, hold on. Oh no, child. Oh, what the hell? I feel like all the blush I put on is already gone. Oh my god. This stuff is probably cute if you put it on your lids, if you're going for like, you know, that wet lid look. But otherwise, I'm just gonna put this away now. Okay, lips! Wait, can I put more blush on? Jesus. I think the lip color is similar to the blush color, so first we're gonna take the lip liner. I'm looking at myself in the mirror right now and I look crazy. I look insane. I'm gonna fill my whole lip in. That's a lip liner. Looking pretty crusty right now, but it actually doesn't look too bad right now. It actually doesn't look that bad. Okay, like literally every cream product that I put on is taking off my foundation and I'm mad. I don't know if it looks good on camera or what, but like this whole side of my face has like no foundation on it anymore. Anyways, back to the lips. So now we're gonna put on the lipstick, which is this mauve-y color. So this would definitely look better with a brown lip liner, but it still is pleasantly surprising me. I kind of look like a Barbie. I'm cute. I just keep adding more blush because the old blush just keeps disappearing into my face. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but we're looking a little patchy over here. So I don't know about all these cream products, man. Just saying, not a fan. All right, now I'm gonna apply the gloss, which is called, can I borrow that? Can I borrow that top? Let me borrow that top. Whoa, she dripping. Too much grip. Oh. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, let's put on the wig. This is the wig that I used in my last Kylie Cosmetics video, so it has a very special place in my heart. Oh, I feel like such a Kardashian right now. I'm the 6th Kardashian sister, Karcy, with a K. That's a really ugly name, but it's okay because I'm pretty. I really wish the complexion was better. If they just had some darker colors, that would be great. I understand that it's the Kendall Collection and Kendall has light skin, but it'd be nice if they had options in the Kendall Collection where you could still replicate the makeup that Kendall has, but on different skin tones. Like, that would be cool. And also, once again, not a big fan of the cream formulas. They just always take off all my base makeup, all my foundation, all my concealer, all my hard work gone. I don't appreciate it. It might depend on your skin type, I don't know, but it's just not for me. I'm gonna swatch some of these, like the yellow one. They are kind of chunky. Oh my god. It just fell off like all over my pants. But yeah, the formulas are kind of chunky, but the color selection is really nice if you're looking for a color palette like this. Would I personally buy a palette like this? No, because I wouldn't use any of these colors because I'm a basic bitch and I would only use these 4. So overall, the collection as it stands at the moment, not very black girl friendly. I would pick up the lip kit though. It is kind of cute, and with the brown liner, that should be real cute. Pick up the eyeshadow palette if that's the kind of color scheme that you would actually use. But otherwise, I'd pass on everything else. Sorry, Kylie. I know you want to be my best friend. The only thing that I was really disappointed in is the Kai sticks because they just look so pretty on Kendall and Kylie, and like, I want to be pretty too. So if you want to find a cream formula like that in a color that would actually look good on your skin tone, you can pick up Cabbage Rose from 3CE, which looks like this. Can you believe this? Koreans are doing it better. This is like the color that Kendall and Kylie have on. So I'm gonna put this on. And since this is a multi-pot, you can use it on your lips too. Look at me throwing K-beauty in here. Typical. That's Darcey for you. I mean, MissDarcei with a K. So I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you did in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links will be in the description. I'm on Instagram and Twitter way more often than I'm on YouTube. So if you're wondering where I am, that's where I am. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be in 2 seconds, because you're just gonna click one of these. Let the binge watching begin. And don't forget that I love ya so much.